Hi guys, I hope you're well. In today's video, it's backdrop day. Wait until the end because I have this amazing Gucci bag that I want to unbox with you, for you. So let's start the video. Sorry, it's a very huge box. Let's start the video with this amazing Celine bag, everyday bag, I would say. You can wear it like crossbody or not. You can change the size of the strap. It's adjustable. So this is mine. This is a Canva Triomphe one. Very good canvas. This is so useful. It goes in time very easily. And leather, beige leather on the side. So here you have corners a little bit rubbed, but otherwise, the condition of the bag is pretty cool, actually. The closing and opening of the bag is amazing. I love it. You have the Triomphe sign of Celine. You can open it like this. And then, ta-da, you have kind of another bag. So it's so clever from the brand. So you have a pocket here, another pocket here, and the one here with the zipper. And then you have a zipper pocket. This is freaking clever. Like, look at this. So freaking nice. The hardware here is a bit damaged, but almost nothing. This is a very good one. Like, I love it. This is so freaking useful. This is nice, no? Well, and the price reason, sorry, I feel I'm a bit sick. So as you can hear with my voice, this is not perfect. And the price for this one is 280 €. Even my face, I look tired because I'm freaking tired and I'm so sick. But I decided I needed to film today because after it's like kind of holiday season, so it's gonna be complicated. Okay, then I wanted to show you this amazing Louis Vuitton monogram wallet. So this one is not the most new one that I have, but it's also very cool. You have here a part where you can attach it to a bag. For example, the neverfull, you can attach it inside, so it's very secure. Okay, this part is print and it starts to vanish a little bit. So then you have a little pocket on the back of the wallet. The pocket is very damaged, like inside is very, very damaged. You will be able to see the photo, but I prefer not to lie. This part is a bit damaged. Okay, then inside of this part is very, very good on the overside. Beige interior, like leather interior, very good. Also here and there, beautiful one. You have the tag here. And the price for this one is 190 €. This is a very good one, guys. Like, amazing. I'm sorry, I'm getting like sick very, very easily like these days. And I can't feel it. I was feeling better this morning when I was doing all the things. And now that I need to film, I feel way more sick than this morning. Okay, then I have this little pouch, cosmetic pouch, monogram Canva also. Very, very cute. I love them. Like, this type of item is so like amazing, timeless also, I would say. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but so tiny. Then you have a very, very good condition leather parts. Hardware is amazing. And let's go see the inside. Inside is very good, I would say. You have all photos on the website just down below in the description. Do not hesitate to like this video also and to comment. The leather starts to fold a little bit, but otherwise very good condition. And the price for this one is so nice. It's 355 €. Very, very good. Let's go on the website. Okay, then another one. I think you're gonna love it. It's very vintage, but so freaking chic. This is a crossbody black handbags. Very nice. You have a strap that is adjustable. This is a kind of a box leather, like very smooth leather from Celine. You have some scratches. This is not a brand new one. This is a vintage, but so freaking nice. You have a little base. This is a very, very thin bag, I would say. Very practical. You have a bigger, less scratches here, but it's very, not so much. Triomphe logo here. Not brand new, but still very good. And the inside of the bag is kind of like yellow, I would say. Yeah, I think it's yellow. Very good condition. The only thing is on the sides here and here, it's discolored, like kind of like pink violet. I don't know. I don't know why, but you know, with time maybe. But otherwise, condition is amazing for this one. And the price is 450 €. So this is actually very good because it's a very easy to wear bag. Okay. Let's go for something else that I have for you. We have a wallet, zippy wallet, long monogram one. Very nice. The condition is not amazing. I'm not gonna lie. And this is why I took this one, because I know some of you want this type of items because you can have them for cheap, I would say. And the defect of the bag doesn't like annoy you, or you can repair them actually. So the Canva monogram starts to vanish a little bit. Otherwise, Zipper works amazing, but you have two parts that are broken. Like here it's open, so it's like the size of my little finger here, and here is the size of my two fingers, okay? So it's like, so this is kind of open, it broke, but you can change it at Louis Vuitton or any other people that repair this type of item. But you're not obligated to because you can open and close very easily anyway, so it's fine. What else can I tell you? Inside actually is very good. On the other hand, you have some little stains on the coin pocket, but as usual, per usual, but otherwise, condition is actually very good inside. This is just the outside of the wallet, and corners here are a little bit damaged. The price I will give you on the screen because I did not had the price on my price tag because as it's damaged, I need to recheck the price. Okay, another one, I think you will love it actually. This is a Celine bowling bag. I love it. Brown Canva Triomphe, amazing. Leather brown, dark brown. Amazing condition on this one, inside, outside. This is a perfect one, guys. I'm so impressed, and the price also is so freaking good. Oh no, something that I wanted to tell you is here. It's broken, so it will probably do not hold long, but it's broken here. But otherwise, very good condition. And the price for this one is 290 euro. Very good condition. Okay, guys, so this one is so cheap. Amazing bag. And the one I wanted to show you is here. Gucci bag. So I already removed it from the box. I don't like to keep my bags inside box. You should not either. We had the dust bag, and I'm going to show you the bag. The bag is just here. This is a tote from Gucci. This is an amazing one. I would say brown leather, amazing with bamboo handles. The bag is as new because it was repaired at Gucci. I went to Gucci to repair it because inside of the bag is suede leather and it was like sand inside, like sand. It was like very, all completely gone. So I decided to try the aftercare from Gucci, which is by the way amazing. I will give you like a video. I have like the aftercare receipt. I can give it to you. I paid like 300 euro to repair it. Actually, it went to Italy. They redone all the bag on the inside. So I guess they probably had to open it again, close again the bag. This is insane. So the bag is as new. It's insane. It's beautiful. I'm so excited about it, by the way. But yeah, like the bag is amazing and it's brand new actually. And the price is 780 euro. Look at this, so chic. So useful because it's an everyday bag, guys. Okay, so I guess this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was the last big backdrop of the year 2023. So I will see you again in 2024 for new videos and a new backdrop day. Bisous, bye-bye.